Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification on your Google account to using your smartphone. First, open the setting, then scroll up and click on Google. Now select autofill and click the first option autofill with Google. Now you click on personal information and scroll left, click on security. Now click on two-step verification option. Now go in down and click on blue button get start. Click on continue and type your phone number. Now click on send for your verification code. In few seconds you got a code and this code type here. Now you click on turn on and your account is now two-step verification.